Why aren't you using video for your sales pages or websites? Probably one simple reason. You think it's too hard to create a video yourself. This is a mistake. With the right software, you can create stunning videos fast and easy, just like the one you're watching right now. A killer video that will cause an explosion of leads, sales, and customers for any product or service. In fact, creating this high-quality video literally took just 14 minutes, and that included the time it took to write the script. What do you think? Is it professional, entertaining? Think it might make some sales? One last question. Do you think video will work for your website visitors? Well, you've just proven it since you've watched this video to the very end. So why not take a minute right now and check out the software we use to create this very video, and you'll see how easy this really is to create stunning, entertaining videos for your products and sites. Get the details below.